Casa Banderas. Today we will be touring an amazing penthouse. Actually, probably the best penthouse in this urbanization, which consists of 3 pool areas, a spa area with sauna, a gym, a concierge service, and all around it's gated. So it's a gated community which is very secure. To the beach is a walk of around 15-20 minutes, and also to the town where we have all the restaurants and everything. And something that really goes through this urbanization is the views. You have views from basically everywhere. So we're super excited about this one. Let's go! Continuing from the 2 parking spaces and the storage room, we take the elevator to the 3rd floor, which is the penthouse floor. As you see here, we do not have any neighbors, so the the whole floor is kind of dedicated to the penthouse. Walking through this security door with bolts up in the middle and down, we enter this very spacious open living room kitchen with windows from floor to ceiling. We have this big format tiles, which is very nice. The views, we are directly greeted with views towards the sea, mountains, golf course, green areas, and just lovely. Inside we have 140 square meters of interior space divided by 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and where we are at the moment in this living room open kitchen. Outside we have 200 square meters of terrace space divided in 4 terraces. So it's a huge terraces. And we will see later an amazing infinity pool that sits on the upper terrace with the best views. Very cool. Continuing to the open kitchen, we have a seating area for 10 people, very family friendly. The open kitchen is very clean and nice with it's fully fitted and soft close on the cabinets. Moving on to the master bedroom, which is, as all of the rooms, really very spacious. You could close this section off to close the master bedroom off. Here to our left we have a ensuite bathroom with a walk-in closet. As you can see, it's a bit dirty at the moment because we put all our stuff there while shooting this video. And we have the vanity set up right here and the walk-in shower with a very nice rainfall shower. Continuing, we will go into the bedroom, which also has a small terrace connecting the master bedroom with a second bedroom that we'll see in a while. When we walk in here, we have the windows from floor to ceiling, as in every room, and very bright and spacious. Moving on to the terrace that I told you guys about just now, we are connected by walking into the second bedroom, which has built-in wardrobes. Moving on to the 2 last bedrooms, we have one over here and the 4th one over here with its ensuite bathroom. In the center we have an open bathroom, kind of connecting bedroom, living room and the terrace space. Moving on to the best part of the apartment, the terrace spaces. This is the first terrace of the property, and we have a dining table set up for 10 people as well. A lounge area in that corner. Absolutely amazing views, just goes all around. And a very important feature, which is nice, is that we do not have any tilting on the terrace. They have used like a new drainage system where they don't use grouting in between the tiles, which makes it completely flat, which is a nice feature. Then moving up to the second part of the terrace. There are a lot of terraces here and a lot of outside space. Moving on to the best part of this penthouse, this terrace space. I mean, so much space for friends, family. You could throw parties here. And one of the best things is obviously the views and the surroundings, but it's just green areas, mountains, golf views, sea view. And then here on my left side, we have a nice water feature. So we have water going down and it's just a very relaxing sound. And here to my left is the infinity pool. So we have infinity splash pool, which is really cool and enjoys this amazing views that I can't talk enough about. So we're in December and it's around 20 degrees. The weather is beautiful. Imagine being here with family and friends, have a swim in the pool. I mean, it's too hot really to have a sweater and a suit on me right now. Should be like a t-shirt and a pair of bathing shorts. That's what this place is all about. Just relax and enjoyment. See you guys on the next one. Take care.